Hey guys, and welcome to this exciting video. Oh my goodness, I've been dying to make this video for the longest time, and it's finally here, which is today's video. I have not one, but two unboxings, because I've already opened them, but the reveal of today's video. Let's start with the first one, because the first one's already out. The second one is not out. I don't know if I'm going to be releasing that in October or whatnot, so it's going to be in advance. I'm not going to promote it, like, so often, but it's the only one time I'll mention it, because I'm really excited. I can't wait to show it. The first one it's already out. It's $6.08, which is another coloring book. I did a circus coloring book this time, which is right here. This is Circus Cuties Coloring book. You can find it on Amazon, and it has circus drawings in here. One of my favorite coloring books I've made. This is only my second one I made. I made the first one for Mermaid. So it has the black cover. So I want them to be cohesive and together, so they have the black cover on the back of it. But here's the front. Let me see if I can show a sneak peek here. And here is a sneak peek drawing or illustration, as you see here. So I did circus illustrations because I felt like, oh, I just want to do circus illustrations or something, so I did that. And I'm quite pleased how the cover came out. If you are new to my channel, I already have one coloring book out, which is Mermaid. I've been doing Mermaid on this channel, and I haven't really been posting videos that often in May because I've been really busy working on side projects such as tarot card deck, which I will show you in a minute. It's here. So I'm really excited about that, and then also the coloring book. So if I don't post the videos, either I'm working on a project or I'm doing something else. So you can find me on Instagram, email Anna08. So further ado, this is kind of like a promotion video, but not really. But anyways, this is my first book of Spooky Sirens at the Sea, and you can find it on Amazon for $6.08 as well. Here is an example colored page I did off camera. As you see here, it is Mermaid Skaters, so I'm pretty proud of that. I'm doing these in color pencils because I've been trying to get my main medium to be color pencil. I've been trying to hone down my skills on color pencil, and I've been really enjoying them. Normally I gravitate towards water-based markers, but I love color pencils now. So now, I'm so excited, you guys. You have no idea. This is let me show you the 10. These are kept in. That rhymed. This is my new tarot card deck I designed. I designed the front and back of the cards, and I have tried so many times of, you know, hold on a second, designing my tarot deck. So I tried making my own, and I was like, you know what, the cards, I just need to get them printed, because no matter what I do, no matter what, so here is the first draft. This part of the box and backing is not my own art. I just found a freebie, somewhere to download. This is the first draft of the deck. I'm not going to show you all of it. I'm going to show you the main deck I have, got printed. So this one right here, I'm putting back in the box. It's by Circus Studio. If you want me to do a review of Circus Studio versus MakePlayingCards.com, which I got them done at MakePlayingCards.com. This one's Circus Studio. This is not a review video or anything. But this one we're about to show you is MakePlayingCards.com. This is the 10 that came in. I chose. Again, it has the Make Playing Cards on the box. I didn't like that part of it, but what are you going to do? You can customize it, though it's really expensive. So I wanted to show you the back of the card. I'm not going to reveal too much about it, only because if I do release the deck, I want you guys to be surprised with some cards in it. But I will show you the backs of the cards, which is a spooky style if you're new here. These are the back of the cards, and I really love that. It's ghosts, skulls, and ghosts, I guess. Here is a, hold on a second. Here's an example card I have right here, which is meditation card. So I'm going to pause the video here and explain what the deck I will be using to get the deck for, if I could talk. Okay, hey guys, before we get to the tarot deck, because I'm going to save that for last, only because some of you might not like tarot or, you know, anything regarding tarot, and I want to save that for last, plus that item is not available yet, so I don't want to, like, show it and be like, oh, it's not available. So I'm going to save that for last. I'm not going to promote that, the tarot often until October if I do release it. I cannot talk. Release it. Oh my gosh, in October. This video's a mess. I'm just so excited. So I hope you guys can tell. Anyways, I want to go ahead and start talking about my books that you can purchase now. Which is, I haven't really been posting mermaid on my channel this month, only because I'm struggling. And I'm not really struggling. I'm just like, I'm not motivated to post videos. I don't know why, but maybe I'll get a reset soon. But there will be more travel videos this summer because we're going to be going to the beach and all that. So that's going to be really fun. So I wanted to mention my books here before I went side tangent on there. The first book I have is Sirens of the Sea. This is for mermaids. So if you are participating in mermaid, here's an example illustration. I have in here, and then here's one colored, and then here's another one colored. This is one of my favorite ones I've done. I've done it in colored pencil. I did these drawings in Procreate and put it in Canva and uploaded PDF and went that way. My second book I haven't mentioned yet on my channel, which is Circus Cuties Coloring book. You can get this on Amazon as well, which is $6.08. I haven't colored in it yet, but here's an example page of what it might look like. Here is another example page I have here. And also, here is, hold on a second. We'll see. Okay, so, anyway. So here's the back of the book, which is, you'll see here, the back of the book is the same because I wanted to be cohesive, except I had added my store, H-artful on Redbubble, and it's not on the first one. I'm torn between which one's my favorite so far. My mom likes this one, my dad likes this one, so I'm torn because this one's a better, I think better drawings, or like better, I'm getting my process of what I want in my coloring books to be. So this was my first one. I was learning on this one. It took a while for it to get updated. This was really quick and it got on Amazon pretty fast, so I was pretty happy with that. Anyways, if you guys are new here, you know I'm into tarot, or been with me for a while, you know I'm into tarot and everything, so I had decided to make my own deck. So I am really excited about that. So I will pause the video and show you that. I'm not going to show you the whole deck, only because if I do release it, and I'm saying that, but I'm saying it lightly. I mainly got it printed so I can have it with my own personal use. I'm not planning on making it for sale yet. I don't know. I'm still thinking about that, so please bear in mind. So with that, but anyways, I'm just too excited to not show it, so I'm gonna go ahead and show some cards, just not all of them. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's get to the tarot deck part. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. If you guys are new here, I'm Anna's drawing channel, and I do all sorts of content on this channel, not just drawing. If you like tarot, if you like reading, if you like writing, I'm all here for it. So for today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. I have already talked about my coloring books, and now we're talking about my tarot deck that I just got printed, and I'm really excited. I had used 2 websites to make them printed, so I wanted to see which quality would be better and less expensive. But I went ahead and printed one on printerstudio.com, and those cards came out really good, but I only did 20 cards, so I was testing the waters. So I went ahead and did my deck on makeplayingcards.com. This is not a review video. I'm only showing a few of the cards, and because I don't know if I'm going to be releasing it, so I just wanted the meat and potatoes of the video to be about the coloring book. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show some cards. So here is the back of the cards. I'm really proud of it, and it's basically ghosts and skulls and creepy stuff because this is a creepy style deck. I mainly made it for a healing deck because there's some different purposes I wanted to use for this deck, like chakra work and shadow work and all of that, and meditation work as well. So I kind of combine all of those elements into one deck. So this one is okay not to be, okay. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. It's okay, it's not the end of the world, and I really like this. And here is the back of the card. And this one's like you're not being your true self. So this one's the throat chakra card, an example of that. This one's let go, shadow work card, meditation card, watch where you step, think before acting, identify your true self, crown chakra, dream, hug a pet, meditation card, regaining your focus, dreams, look beyond yourself, embrace your family and friends, stay magical, and then solar peckless card, talk. This was one of my first drawings I've done on this deck, and I'm really happy with that. Study or new things. This is one of my favorite cards because it came out so clear, and I really like it, and it's your spiritual growth. And then also one of my favorite cards, relax, heal from your wounds, fill yourself with love, and then hold on to your world. And that's all I'm going to show you guys because I don't want this deck to be spoiler. So I hope you guys liked today's video. It's a little bit different video and a little bit self-promotion, so I hope you don't mind. I'm not going to do mermaid in today's video because that'll be too much, I think, unless you really want it. I can do TikTok or something for you guys, but this is the 10 it goes in, and I am really excited. I've already done a reading with those, and it came out great, and I'm really excited and everything. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a single video.